Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another solved example from KL transform in digital image processing. We know the expression for KL transform is y is equal to a into x minus mu x in the previous solved example 1. A is the transformation matrix, x is the vector of the objects in the image, mu x is the mean of the vector. So what do you mean by object in the image? It refers to the ones in the image. So this is the 4x4 image that we have considered for our example. So the place of ones, just locate it as the x and the y axis and call them as objects of the vector. For example, this one is in the position 1, 2. So 1, 2. And next this one is in the position 2, 1. So 2, 1. And the rest 2 also locate them in that way and write it in the matrix form. Step number 2, to find out the mean of the vector x. So how do you find out the mean? Add up all the first 4 values and divide it by 4. I have did all the calculations in the right hand side for your reference. And add up the next 4 values divided by 4. You get your mean vector. Step number 3, find the covariance matrix. What do you mean by the covariance matrix? It is the expected value of x minus mu x into its own transpose. So first, to find out x minus mu x, it is nothing but 1 minus 2, that is your minus 1. And next it is x value 2 minus 1.5, it is 0.5. And the same transpose of it. Okay, so multiply both and you get the values in this form. Similarly, find out the value of x2. You get it as this matrix form. Once again, calculating the value of C3 and C4 as we calculated C1 and C2. Now we have to find out the C value, mean of C1, C2, C3, C4. So add all the 4 values in the first position divided by 4 and write it as the first value. Add all the values in the second position divided by 4, write it in the second position. Similarly, the third and the fourth locations, add it up all divided by 4 and write it up here. So we get the final covariance matrix as shown in the example. Step number 4, find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the above matrix. So how do you find the eigenvalues and the eigenvectors? So this matrix is always a symmetric matrix. So it should be written in this form, 0.5 minus lambda and 0.25 minus lambda. So it is always a symmetric matrix. So we write it in this form. Okay. And now we have to factorize and find out the values. So just factorize it and find out the value of lambda 1 and lambda 2. The next step, number 5, is to find out the eigenvectors for lambda 1, lambda 2. So lambda 1, lambda 2 are the eigenvalues that we have calculated in the step number 4. So substitute lambda 1 into the expression A, that is in the previous page, and we write the eigenvectors as x1 and x2 in this form. Now you can calculate the values of x1 and x2 from this matrix calculation. And x1 is equal to this value, which is valid for x2 is equal to 1. Similarly, eigenvector for lambda 2. Substitute the lambda 2 is equal to this value into the expression A. And similarly calculate the value of x1 for x2 is equal to 1. So this is the value of lambda 2 for x2 is equal to 1. Now the last step is to find out the transformation matrix A. Write the eigenvectors corresponding to largest eigenvalues first. Lambda 1 is equal to 0.6545 is the largest in our example. So how to write the transformation matrix? Write the eigenvector of lambda 1 first as it is the highest value and then the least value. In general, transformation matrix is defined as A is equal to eigenvectors of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 and it goes on till lambda n, where lambda 1 is greater than lambda 2, greater than lambda 3 and so on. So now we know this value calculated as lambda 1 is written first. In the previous page we have calculated this, and this is lambda 2 that is here, So we are writing the transformation matrix for KL transform in this form. So this is the eigenvector related to lambda 2. This is the eigenvector related to lambda 1. We know the expression for KL transform as y is equal to A into x minus mu x. Y is nothing but the output transformed image. X is the expression that is given in B. Mu x is the expression in C. Now we have found out A. Therefore, we can know the total calculation of this expression, and we can define the output image in digital image processing using KL transform. So the aim of this solved example to find out the KL transformation matrix A, and that is done here in this step. Thank you. Please write to me your feedback.